Hello, wealth builders. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial success? Today, we're diving deep into a blueprint that could transform your financial future. Imagine this. The year is 2024, and you're on your journey to becoming a millionaire. How do you make it happen? Let's explore this together in today's episode of Wealth Builders Wisdom. Stay tuned, because what we're about to uncover could be your game changer. So, where do we begin on this millionaire journey? It all starts with a mindset shift. Yes, your mindset is your most powerful asset. Think like a millionaire to become one. Millionaires are not just dreamers, they are doers. They set clear, achievable goals and relentlessly pursue them. Now, let's set our goals and chart our course. The first step in our millionaire blueprint is expanding our financial knowledge. Wealth building is not just about earning but understanding money, how it works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow. Start by reading books on personal finance, listening to podcasts, and following credible financial advisors. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Next up, let's talk about investing. If there's one thing millionaires are good at, it's making their money work for them. But here's the catch. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Begin with small, smart investments. Look into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risks and maximize returns. And yes, always do your homework before investing. Now, onto one of my favorite topics: creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on a 9-to-5 job is not the millionaire way. Think about starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or even creating an online business. The key is to have various income sources flowing in, so you're not dependent on just one. One avenue often overlooked in developing multiple income streams is freelancing and consulting. In today's gig economy, your skills and expertise are invaluable assets. Whether you're a graphic designer, a digital marketing expert, a writer, or have a niche skill set, there's a demand for your services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easier than ever to connect with clients globally. The beauty of freelancing is its flexibility. You can work on projects that interest you and fit them around your schedule. Consulting, on the other hand, leverages your professional expertise. If you have years of experience in a particular field, offer your knowledge as a consultant. Businesses are always looking for experienced individuals to guide them. This could be in the form of project-based work, part-time advisory roles, or even one-off consultations. The key is to identify your unique skill set and market it effectively. Hey, are you finding this guide helpful? If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our Wealth Builders community for more insightful tips on building your wealth. We're all about empowering you on your financial journey. Being a millionaire isn't just about making money, it's also about smart spending. Budgeting is crucial. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and focus on value. It's not about living frugally but spending wisely. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Another key aspect: never underestimate the power of networking and mentorship. Surround yourself with successful people. Learn from their experiences and apply their wisdom to your journey. A good mentor can provide invaluable guidance and open doors to new opportunities. In today's digital age, embracing technology is crucial for wealth building. Understanding and leveraging digital tools and platforms can give you an edge. Think about it. From online stock trading to digital marketing, technology is reshaping how we earn and grow our wealth. So, dive into learning about emerging technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and how they're influencing the financial world. Stay ahead of the curve, and you'll be amazed at the opportunities that unfold. Another critical element in our journey to wealth is personal development and productivity. Millionaires aren't just smart with their money, they're smart with their time. It's about adopting habits that foster growth and efficiency. Wake up early, set daily goals, exercise regularly, and keep learning. Self-improvement is a continuous journey, and it's one that pays dividends in the long run. Wealth building also involves understanding and managing risk. No investment is without risk, but the trick is in knowing how to balance it. Learn to evaluate risks carefully and make calculated decisions. Sometimes, taking a well-thought-out risk can lead to substantial rewards. Risk management is not about avoiding risks. It's about making informed decisions. Now, let's talk about a trend that's gaining momentum: ESG investing. This involves making investments in companies that score high in environmental, social, and governance factors. It's about aligning your investment choices with your ethical values. ESG investing isn't just good for the planet and society. It's also proving to be profitable. Investors are increasingly recognizing that responsible investments can also yield strong returns. Before you start your journey to $1 million, ensure you have a solid financial foundation. This means having an emergency fund, being debt-free, or having a plan to manage your debt. It's like building a house. You need a strong foundation for it to stand the test of time. A solid financial base gives you the freedom to invest and take opportunities as they come. Every millionaire has a story of failures and setbacks. What sets them apart is their ability to learn from these experiences. Don't fear failure. Embrace it as a learning opportunity. When you fail, you learn what doesn't work, which brings you one step closer to finding what does. The path to wealth is not linear. It's filled with ups and downs. Embrace the journey with all its challenges. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a long-term vision. Resist the temptation for quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. True wealth is built over time. Focus on long-term goals and be patient. Your future self will thank you. The world is constantly changing, and so are the ways to build wealth. Stay informed about market trends and economic shifts. Be adaptable and ready to pivot your strategies when necessary. Flexibility and resilience are traits of a true millionaire. Remember, becoming a millionaire in 2024 is an ambitious goal, but it's achievable with the right mindset, strategies, and actions. Every step you take on this journey brings you closer to your financial dreams. So, wealth builders, equip yourself with knowledge, embrace opportunities, and stay committed to your journey. As we wrap up this blueprint to becoming a millionaire in 2024, remember, the journey is as important as the destination. It's about the lessons learned, the growth experienced, and the person you become along the way. So, start today, wealth builders. Take that first step towards your millionaire dream. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom for more empowering content. Together, let's build a future of wealth and success.